Welcome to Cambridge's newest community non-profit bookstore run by members and friends of Trillium United Church. At 450 King Street East in Preston, it opened March of 2022, and it's already the favorite place for book lovers that are keen to browse its shelves on Sundays when it's open. Right across the street from the ID Exchange, there's street parking on King Street. This is a used bookstore that depends on donations to fill its shelves, and they haven't been disappointed with the amazing variety of books that have been donated to them. But for book lovers, there's no such thing as a used book, just pre-loved. The former church cloakroom has been repurposed and is now brimming with a wide variety of titles, from romance to adventure, art to mystery books, with so much in between. This is a family-friendly space where people of all ages are encouraged to come. There's a children's area with stroller parking and puppet theatre. Dogs are also welcome guests at Stone Church Books. Open from 12 until 3 and changing to its summer hours of 11 till 2 on Sundays only, Stone Church Books has its entrance on the King Street side of the church. They're closed on long weekends. Filled with understanding volunteers that get it when you tell them you're tired because you were up half the night finishing off a good book. These are the same volunteers that coordinate the books into categories and price them. They're invaluable. High school students looking for interesting options to complete their volunteer hours can visit the bookstore any Sunday and ask to apply. Want to donate? Since the space is on a smaller size, they're only accepting books that are in best condition, which is wonderful when you come in to buy. Reach out on their Facebook page during the week and find out if they're accepting the types of books that you have. Please, no dictionaries, manuals, encyclopedias, or textbooks. Or drop in on a Sunday and discuss what you'd like to donate. Their Facebook page is up-to-date information about the shop and insightful advice such as, stock up on an armful of summer reading before heading to the cottage, or nothing is better than opening up a book and closing off the world. You can pay with either cash or debit, and it's appreciated if you have exact change. Prices vary. There's a fabulous 50-cent table, with the rest of the books being a fraction of their original costs. They have the best selection of art and decor books in the Waterloo region, and a large array of children's books, magazines, and contemporary fiction. There's nothing more delightful than snuggling up with a good book in your backyard in the middle of summer, or in a cozy nook in your home in the middle of winter. Stone Church Books wants to instigate reading and have the aim of improving community well-being. Make it part of your Sundays to pick up a wonderful new-to-you book. And remember, books keep on going, even during power failures.